Hey there. You know that boring number some guy in a suit announces on TV? The one that makes the stock market go crazy? That's the interest rate. And here's the shocking truth. It controls literally everything in your life. No, I'm not exaggerating. Let me prove it to you. Section 1. Your morning routine. So you wake up, grab your phone, which you bought on a payment plan. That plan uses interest rates. Head to your favorite coffee shop. They borrowed money to open. When interest rates jump from 5% to 8%, their loan payment might go from $5,000 to $8,000 per month. Guess who's paying for that? Your latte just went from $5 to $7. But here's the twist. It's not just the coffee shop, your gym membership, your Netflix subscription, even your favorite restaurant. They all borrowed money to operate. Interest rates go up, everything gets expensive. Section 2. Your paycheck is a hostage. Remember 2008? Interest rates shot up. Companies couldn't afford loans, and millions lost their jobs. It wasn't because people suddenly became bad at their jobs. It was interest rates. When rates are high, companies do the math. Why expand when borrowing costs 10%? Let's just fire people instead. But when rates drop to 2%, let's borrow millions and grow. Suddenly, everyone's hiring. That promotion you want, that startup job you're eyeing, they live or die by interest rates. Your career is literally held hostage by what central banks decide. Section 3. The house you'll never afford. Here's the brutal math. A $300,000 house at 3% interest costs you $1,265 monthly. The same house at 8% interest, $2,201 monthly. That's almost $1,000 more for absolutely nothing. Your parents bought their house in the 1990s when rates were reasonable. You're competing with rates that turn a normal house into a luxury item. And here's the kicker. If you wait for rates to drop, house prices go up because everyone starts buying. You literally can't win. Section 4. Your savings are under attack. Think you're smart keeping money in the bank? In 2021, banks paid 0.1% interest while inflation was 7%. Your $10,000 became worth $9,300 in real value. You lost $700 by doing nothing. But in 1981, savings accounts paid 15% interest. People literally got rich just saving money. Same bank, same account, completely different results. All because of interest rates. Section 5. The invisible puppet master. Central banks control interest rates like a video game. Economy growing too fast? Raise rates to cause a mini recession. Too slow? Drop rates and watch everyone go shopping. But here's what they don't tell you. They're not managing the economy. They're managing you. When they raise rates, they're really saying, stop buying things. When they lower rates, it's please spend everything. And we obey without even knowing it. Even your relationships aren't safe. High interest rates delay marriages, reduce birth rates, and affect divorce rates. Countries like Japan kept rates at 0 for decades and watch. Coincidence? Nope. The truth nobody tells you, interest rates aren't boring financial news. They're the reason you can't afford a house, might lose your job, or why everything keeps getting expensive. You're living in a world where 1 percentage point literally changes your entire future. Want to learn how to actually beat the interest rate game? Comment below and I'll show you exactly how. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.